Hello everyone, my name is Diana Setiawati. I'm a lecturer in Faculty of Law, Universitas Muhammadiyah Surakarta. Thank you very much for the opportunity to sharing my research. This research is conducting with the two members, Rizaldi Anggriawan and also Hari Abdul Hakim. So the theme or the topic is supervisory synergy, local government oversight in fostering corporate social responsibility for a green economy. Actually, this research is conducting in Klaten because I examine on how the local government of Klaten can supervising the CSR program for PT Tirta Investama Klaten. So before we talk about the research, I would like to give the introduction first. And green economic is characterized by sustainable and environmentally friendly practice and is crucial for mitigating climate change and ensuring the long-term well-being of our planet. Businesses, as a key driver of economic activities, they play a pivotal role in these transitions by integrating CSR initiatives that align with the goals of a green economy. Regulatory framework established by the local governments become essential tools for guiding the business towards sustainable and socially responsible practices. However, the effectiveness of such oversights face challenges, necessitating a closer examination of the dynamic between local government and businesses in fostering corporate social responsibility. And the synergy between local government and business in envisions as a mutually beneficial partnerships where regulatory oversight is complemented by proactive engagement and support. By working in tandem, local government and businesses can amplify the positive impact of CSR initiative, particularly within the context of a green economy. So, this research seeks to bridge the gap by investigating how supervisory synergy between the local government, especially local government from Klaten, and the businesses. And the businesses here means PT Tirta Investama. And both of parties can drive the CSR initiative, particularly in the pursuit of the sustainable and also green economy. Especially, this research will focus on examining the role of the local government in Klaten on supervise the CSR program from PT Tirta Investama Klaten. Here are the problem formulation. I have two problem formulations. The first one is how Klaten local government supervising on the implementations of corporate social responsibility from PT Tirta Investama Klaten. And the problem formulation, the second one is how the strategy of local government oversights in fostering corporate social responsibility for green economic. Okay, now we jump to the background. What we know here is the corporate social responsibility is an obligation for every company in the form of a company, which is regulated in Article 74 of Law Number 14 and 2007 concerning limited liability companies. And what we don't know is on how to examining the mechanism through which supervisory synergy can influence CSR outcomes and can contribute to a green economy. So for the methodology of research, actually my type of research is empirical legal studies, and the data used here is a primary, also secondary data. For primary, I use interview PT Tirta Investama Klaten, and also in secondary data I use to regulations, journal, dictionary, and etc. And the approach of the method approach is statute approach and also case approach, and data collections is interview with the local government officials, survey, distribute to businesses, PT Tirta Investama Klaten. And the analysis method is descriptive analysis. So here are the result of the research. The first problem formulations is on how the oversights by PT Klaten local government on the implementation local government Klaten on the implementation of corporate social responsibility from PT Tirta Investama Klaten. PT Tirta Investama Klaten or factory, or commonly referred as the Aqua Factory, is one of the companies located in the Klaten area that implement the corporate social responsibility program. There are several programs that have been implemented by PT Tirta Investama Factory Klaten as reported by the Desa Klaten website. One of which is a waste management program and also a program to care for people with disabilities. However, it is not yet clearly known about the supervision and involvement of the regional government in the implementations of the CSR program. And after this, we will discuss about that. So, the supervisions of the company itself is regulated in several laws and also regulations, including Law Number 14 of 2007 concerning limited liability companies, and also Law Number 25 of 2007 concerning capital market investment. In addition to these laws and regulations, there are regulations regarding companies supervision in various regions, one of which is Klaten area, which is regulated in Klaten Regency Regional Regulations, number 9 of 2014. This regulation is concerning corporate social and also environmental responsibility. In the regional regulation regarding supervision itself is regulated in Article 20, which explains that the region of Klaten region provide guidance and supervision by forming a team of coach and supervisor, and in which the main duties and function have also been regulated. So the duties and the function itself is to supervise the company, the implementation of CSR in some of company in Klaten. And then PT Tirta Investama, that this fact I get from the investigation with the some narasumber. PT Tirta Investama has been engaged in corporate social responsibility through several routine programs. The CSR program include waste management and disability care in terms of oversight, as explained by Mrs. Endah Kusmaria and Subcoordinator for Economic Affairs and Natural Resources. The responsibility for monitoring the implementation of this program is entrusted to the company. Subsequently, the company is obliged to submit activity report on the program implementations every 3 months, whether requested or not. These activity reports are then presented to the CSR forum to provide insight into the program that have been implemented. So this is one responsibility from the local government of Klaten on supervising the CSR program in PT Tirta Investama. And here are the secondary problem formulations, how the strategy from the local government on oversight in fostering corporate social responsibility for a green economy. Local government here oversight plays a crucial role in fostering corporate social responsibility for a green economy, because the local government itself, they have a power to fostering the company on implementing CSR. And here are the key ways in which local government oversight contribute to promoting CSR practice for sustainable and environmentally friendly business operations. The first is regulatory framework, second is community engagement, third is monitoring and compliance, and fourth, public reporting and also transparency, and five is environmental impact assessment, and the six or the last is promoting green economic initiatives. Yes, this is the result of my research. And now is the conclusions. The first one, from the problem formulation, the conclusion is PT Tirta Investama has organized CSR program, particularly waste management and disability care programs, in accordance with the applicable regulation and has achieved the goals set for this program. This align with what Mrs. Sutrisno and also Mrs. Indah Kusmariah convey, stating that PT Tirta Investama is one of the companies that has been performing well and even has a structured approach to implementing its corporate social responsibility, apart from adhering to the CSR program diligently. PT Tirta Investama Klaten consistently reports on the outcome of its activities, including the amount of fund expended by the company to conduct this CSR initiative. And the second conclusion regarding the strategic of local government oversight is instrumental in shaping the CSR landscape by establishing regulations, incentivizing responsible practices, monitoring compliance, and fostering collaborations between businesses and also communities. And this collaborative effort is contribute to the development of green economy, where businesses prioritize environmental sustainability and also social responsibility. So thank you very much guys for your attention, and maybe we can discuss in the column chat. See you later. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.